Hi, it's Donna Brown with Virginia Cook & Associates, the voice of the desert bringing value home to you. I'm here at an open house and I'm preparing the Indian Wells Market Report because it's time for the Minute Market Report for Indian Wells, California. This is the November report based on October statistics. So I thought to myself, hey, let's do it from the open house, so let's go check it out. Well, this is one of them, and this is one of 10 that are under $1 million. The HOA here is only $100. 16 of them are in escrow, and 11 of them have closed in the last 30 days. Average days in the market are 57. That's up from 50 days this time last year, so it's up a little bit, but not, I guess that's a little bit over 1% more. Price per square foot is $593 a square foot. So now for condos and townhouses, attached homes. There are 40 on the market. That's a great kitchen here. 2 are in escrow, and 4 have closed in the last 30 days. The average days in the market are 87. Last year, this time, it was 55, so it is taking considerably longer to sell condos here. Average discount off asking price is 4%, so there's a bigger, more negotiations going on condos. Really nice. Here's the backyard. Average price per square foot is $390 a square foot. It was $388 last year, so it's not too much difference, really. Saturation, though, there are 6.4 months of inventory for attached homes and condos compared to last year. That is up 66%, so that's quite a bit. Anyway, that's the Minute Market Report for Indian Wells, brought to you from this beautiful listing here in Indian Wells. Come by and give me a call. We'll check it out. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye now.